Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a thriving plant? This remarkable process, called germination, is one of nature's most fascinating journeys. Every fruit, vegetable, and flower in your garden begins this same way, with a seed awakening to life. Before germination can begin, a seed enters a state called dormancy, essentially a deep sleep. During this time, the seed is very much alive, but its metabolic activities are extremely slow. Inside each seed lies an embryonic plant, along with stored nutrients that will fuel its initial growth. For germination to start, the seed must first absorb water through a process called imbibition. This causes the seed to swell and soften, preparing it for growth. Once water activates the seed, remarkable changes occur. Enzymes within the seed become active and begin breaking down stored nutrients, proteins, starches, and fats into simpler forms the embryo can use for energy. The first visible sign of germination is the emergence of the radicle, the embryonic root. This tiny root pushes through the seed coat and anchors itself into the soil, immediately beginning to absorb water and minerals. Next comes the shoot, which grows upward toward the light. As it pushes through the soil, it carries the cotyledons, seed leaves, which provide initial nutrition until true leaves develop and photosynthesis begins. Successful germination requires three essential conditions: adequate water, proper temperature, and oxygen. Water activates the seed, while oxygen is necessary for the cellular respiration that powers growth. Temperature affects the speed of germination. Most seeds prefer temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. While light isn't required for germination itself, it becomes crucial once the seedling emerges, as the plant begins photosynthesis to produce its own food. From dormant seed to thriving seedling, germination is a perfectly orchestrated process that has sustained life on Earth for millions of years. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the resilience and ingenuity of nature and empowers us to become better gardeners and stewards of our environment. Just like the seeds we studied today, this channel needs the right environment to grow, and that's where you come in. If you learned something new about the hidden world beneath our feet, plant a like on this video to help it reach more curious minds. Have you ever grown something from a seed that surprised you? Or perhaps you have a question about a specific plant? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and love hearing your gardening and science stories. And if you want to stay rooted in the wonders of the natural world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By joining our community, you'll never miss a journey into the fascinating science that makes our planet breathe. Thanks for watching. And remember, every giant oak started as a small seed that refused to give up. Keep curious, and I'll see you in the next video.